Hi there, my friends. Today, we're going to fold a seahorse just like the ones that live deep in the ocean. Are you ready? Let's start by folding the paper in half, corner to corner. Then, open it back up. Now, fold both sides in to meet the center line. And open them up again. Next, let's do the same folds on the bottom half. Now, look closely. Using the folds we just made, hold both sides like this and leave this flap, sticking up just like a bunny ear. We call this a bunny ear fold. Let's try it on the other side too. There we go. Now, fold the whole thing in half, back to back. And gently fold this flap down. Now take this flap and fold it in. Open it up a little and press it flat with your fingers. Let's do that again on the back. Fold down and fold it in. Open up and press flat. Great! Now we'll make a fold along this line. Let's fold like this. Then do a reverse fold outward. Fold along this line, then do a reverse fold outward. Then, let's make a zigzag fold for the seahorse's head just like this. See that pointy tip? We'll tuck it inside gently. There you go. The head is ready. Let's make the curvy tail. Fold along this line at a slight angle just like this. Now I will smooth the folds a little bit and do the same on the other side. Got both sides folded? Great! Now gently pinch the tail with both hands. And fold it down just like that. Let's do that again. Press and fold down. Let's repeat it 3 more times. Look, the tail is starting to twist just like a real seahorse. Then it's done. Now let's add a googly eye. Thanks for folding with me today, and see you next time. Oh, and if you liked folding with us, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this.